Hello little kids, today we're going to play with puzzles. Let's start with this number. What is this number? You're right little kids, it's number 1. And what is this? It's apple. You're right. We'll place it here. And the next number? Is it the next number? I guess no. Maybe it's this number? What is this number? It's number 2. You're right, little kids. And what is this? It's 2 oranges. Next number is number 3. You're right. And what is this? It's 3 peaches. We'll place it here. Next number is number 4. What color is this? It's green. You're right. And there we have 4 pineapples. Place it here. Next we have 5 bananas. Of course, bananas. We all love bananas. And next number is number 5. You're right. And there we have some shapes. There we have triangle. Is it triangle? I guess no. Is this triangle? You're right, little kids. It's triangle. We'll place it right here. Excellent. Next shape is hexagon. Hexagon. What color is this? It's purple. You're right. We'll place it right here. Next we have rectangle. Let's place it here. What is this? It's round. Round is right here. Next we have square. Let's try to find square. Is it square? I guess it's number. It's not a shape. Is this a square? Alright, it's square. What color is this? I guess it's green, more like yellow. Okay, never mind. Let's put it right here. And then we have again our numbers. First of all, let's start with these beautiful strawberries. How much strawberries are here? You're right, it's 6 strawberries. And there is number 6. Let's place it right here. Next number, it's number 7. You're right. And what color is this? It's green. You're right, little kids. You're doing amazing job. Let's try to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples. And we'll place it right here. Next we have my favorite watermelons. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and of course it's 8. 8 watermelons. Nice! Next up we have number 6. No, I guess it's number 9. What color is this? It's blue. You're right, little kids. And there we have 9 lemons. Alright. And the last one, my favorite grapes, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then, of course, we got 10 grapes. And my last question, what color is this? It's red. Excellent job, little kids. Let's place it right here. And our puzzle is finished. See you in the next videos.